All right, and Five Below, look right here if you want a bubble blower. I think these are $7. Yes, I'm not too sure how well they work, but you could also find these in TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Ross. I think they're about like 9 to 10, but 7 here. And we have the Transformers bubble sword. That's kind of cool. $4, but if you're gonna spend $4 on solution, get gazillion. Just go to Walmart. I mean, they're pretty much about that price. Bluey in the car, and look how cute. I can't believe these are $7 now. Come on, Five Below, we're on a budget. You have the chalk. I like how they're printed. The sun smiley face one. Those are cute. Here is a flower one. Look how fun. $3.25. Is that chalk too? A pizza slice. Oh look, don't bite it though. It's like blue on the inside, but why would they put that? Like some kid's gonna bite that. Somebody's gonna bite that chalk.
Yeah, when they make stuff that you shouldn't eat look like food, it's all gonna have a bite to it.
The egg one's $3. You have the hot dog one. These are basic buckets right here. I feel like these should be $1, but I think it might be $3 here. I'm not too sure. Grow wild, embrace the chaos. Micro machines. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen micro machines in such a long time. They're so tiny though. These are little charm friends. I always see this. I never know what it is. A stitch in here. You could color that. It looks like you just squeeze them and they blow a big bubble. Here we go. Collect everything in here. Toy Story. I feel like it's going to become very popular again. And you have all these Peeps USB wall charger if you love your Peeps. Okay, I'm not too sure if I've seen that chick basket, but it's $5. Oh, SpongeBob has little cars too. The little key one. And you got the fridge, little makeup bag, jellyfish marble fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, I kind of want to find this one right here at the end. Let me see what's in here. Oh, they all took the muscular one. Play-Doh sand. And you have the cloud butter. It's going to be fruit punch. We have vacation scented. Oh my gosh. Probably smells very tropical-y, right? Here's a little variety pack. They're all scented. Looks like maybe bubblegum, grape. Oh, these are $5. Good for Easter basket. Hello Kitty, strawberry shortcake. This is a unicorn stuff. Strawberry shortcake. Okay, they have the Yoshi, a Toad, the Goomba, like a Donkey Kong, Mario. There's this one, Flower Power. I just know the music. Doot, doot. I don't even know. But you guys, look. They have a Michael Myers troll, which is kind of funny. I believe I shared this one before. Then I found the Chucky one. All they have was Mikey and Chucky.
Oh, who's this one?
Here's the Jurassic Park one. Who's that? Frankenstein. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Is there any more?
I got the bride.
Oh my gosh, look at, see, they're a couple. How funny is that? They have little Sonic toys too. That could be for your basket. Don't forget to check out Ross. They have these in a much larger figure. I think they're like $8 over there. Like little minis. I never seen that one. The Minecraft duck, Wizard of Oz, dinosaurs, and fun games like Duck Duck Who game, flashcards, The Wicked, Uno Express, little mini arcade. Ed, Ed, and Eddie. Oh, okay. I didn't really like this show, but it was alright. Some parts were really funny when you go back and watch it as an adult. You're like, what? I can't believe they did that. Pajama Party, Hello Kitty, and tons of Kirby. Those are cute. The Wiggles, they like wiggle toys. Okay. Scented backpack buddies on Minecraft. Huh. Oh, these are little clickers. Okay, I saw a girl clicking there, so I was like, what is it? They're like keyboard clickers. They make kawaii looking, and you just do that. Dino Pals. You get a little collar. I can walk. Okay. Dino Pals. That's funny. Look, I found the Flintstones. Oh, there's Barney. Of course, Fred is gone. Slime. Look at that. That looks kind of cool. Oh, you just shake it. Just pour it in there and shake it. Lip smacker. What do we have? There's Hello Kitty, Ice Freeze, lip balm. There's a little oil one. It's gonna be peach. Not a lot of lip smackers. I'm surprised. Gel wash. Yeah, these are like cool. Hydrating body butter. They even have the scrub. Birthday cake vanilla. Let's see, berry bougie. Rio Glow vanilla salt air and watermelon whirl. These are by this brand. You can find this brand when Christmas comes around. They have this in Walmart. This brand. Are these body butters? Shea butter. Yeah. And I found these in Burlington too. I don't know how much they are here, but they have a foot mask, more berry bougie. This is going to be a body scrub over here. And they have the really colorful loofahs, a glitter gel. I'm not too sure if that's for your hair. I'm assuming it's for your hair. Look how cute. They have hand sanitizing wipes on a keychain. What? They have kiwi, maybe a citrus one. Yeah, tangy orange and a watermelon. These are $3 down here. Bonkers Purr Pop for your cat. It's for your cat, you guys, not for you. Chew strawberry and pineapple here. Okay, I found this one that's kind of funny. A hammer dental toy for a doggy. They just kind of chew on that. But it feels like plastic. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about my dog probably eating that. But the Bonkers Pop is kind of funny. Fizzy soda, Swedish candy. Oh my gosh, Dum Dums has pickle suckers. Oh wow. I wish they sold them separately so you could just try one. Sour Punch Roulette. What do we have? Green, apple, lemon lime, watermelon, and pickle. So I'm assuming the gross one's going to be pickled because everything else is amazing. And I'm kind of glad they have green apple sour bites because I can no longer find the green apple ones. I love green apple. Bring it back. Why'd you take it away? These are the pop-in pickles. They got the boba tea, watermelon. Oh my gosh, look at it. Push pop. Oh, which one is that? Jumbo fruit punch. $3. This is not really jumbo. Would you call this jumbo? I feel like they used to be bigger.
Those are the regular size ones.
No, look at the regular size. This is, you guys. I don't remember push pops
I remember
being
regular size.
Yeah,
being this,
that's crazy.
and jumbo being like this.
Oh, this was the.
That's the.
This was
multicolor
like
one.
the cool one back in the day.
But yeah, and then they had the jumbo ones that were probably about that fat.
So the mini push pops. These are $1.50. There is no way that's a push pop. They used to be about this size. Wow, that is so
'Cause I
funny.
remember I could stick my thumb in there too.
That is so funny. Warhead. What is this one? Oh, fizz in size. Atomic fizz. Look, they have fire dots. What? That is so funny. I never had dots in my life. Or those wax bottles. I never had them. What is this one? Candy money? Candy cash? Like paper candy? Interesting. No animal gelatin. Oh, these are my favorite. Trying to wing myself off the gummies. Gummies are like, oh my gosh, give me a gummy candy. I'm on that. Alright, you guys, I think this might do it for Five Below. Anything kind of new here? Nothing too new. Again, I'm still waiting for like more summer stuff. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.